Welcome back to Mighty Machines. In today's video, let us show you some of the biggest and most powerful machines you are yet to see. In lifting heavy materials, project sites usually look for machines with excellent strength and precision. A perfect example is the Mammoth Liber LR13000. This crawler crane is able to keep its impressive stability and mobility because it's mounted on an undercarriage with a pair of caterpillar tracks. It also comes with adjustable boom length, backmast, and counterweight to meet varying needs of the site. Aside from its stability, the Liber LR13000 is also impressive in terms of its strength since it can carry loads ranging from 60 to 3,000 tons. Indeed, a machine ideal for diverse lifting requirements. Following this is the flagship of aircraft rescue and firefighting vehicles, the Panther 8x8. This is one of the machines that introduced new features in the areas of design, performance, and extinguishing power, which makes it above every other rescue vehicle. It has outstanding statistics that exceeds every standard present, such as nearly 1,500 horsepower, over 130 km/h top speed, and 19,000 ton capacity for extinguishing compounds. The Panther 8x8 can also accelerate from 0 to 80 km/h in under 25 seconds only with a pump output of 10,000 per 1 minute. This incredible rescue and firefighting vehicle has made its name on design, technology, and power. Plus, it's state-of-the-art technology that enables extremely safe driving behavior. If you think you've seen it all, wait for the E-Dumper. The world's largest Switzerland-made electric vehicle. Based on their constant assessment of the vehicle, it was able to transport 65 tons of lime and marl from the high-elevation extraction area to the permanently installed transport system below. It does not only feature great strength, but also its qualities ensuring a sustainable future. Because it's powered by the largest battery, the E-Dumper is a CO2-free vehicle. It also reduces waste and maintenance costs due to its parts that do not wear out easily. If compared to other vehicles, it has relatively lower noise emissions too. Up next, we have the new Panther Series 2 low loader range designed for mining industry with safety and ease of operation as its top priority. The low loaders can range up to 80,000 kilograms, up to 1 million kilograms payload, but can be altered based on your specific conditions on the mine sites. It's also excellently engineered for it to be well suited to autonomous operations, but still with superior safety features. The Pace and Sun Panther Series 2 is operated through the rear axle rotation system, or RARS, to ensure safety, ease of use, and productivity. Aside from this, stability is also kept through the full-width ground contact during loading and unloading with its incorporated wet brake system. On top of this, manufacturing and testing for this machine was also done to ensure it can withstand even the toughest mining conditions, additional to the modular design used to reduce shipping and installation costs, thus offering a cost-effective and reliable solution. When it comes to the cotton transport industry, we also have the Collier & Miller Cotton Cartage trailer. It comes as another record on its ability to accept 9 cotton modules per trailer. The creation of the key concepts of this vehicle was mainly to have a load restraint system that could use existing equipment. This was achieved with the unique cotton crush restraint system, matched to the industry standard 45-foot drop deck trailer, which means that even with its load height of 4.5 meters, this can now be added onto existing trailers. Additional features include 12-volt or truck hydraulics, simple bolt-on attachment, and certificate to comply with load restraints. Moving on to the powerful machines of the sea, we have the Royal Odyssey of the Seas, built in 2021, and the Quantum of the Seas, built in 2014. Although both have different names, there are a lot of similarities in them, such as their size. The Odyssey of the Seas recorded size is 1,138 feet long and 135 feet wide, which is quite similar to the size of the Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. They also have the same number of passengers and space ratio. Now let's take a look at their amenities. The Odyssey of the Seas has 19 different dining options, where 9 are included in your cruise fare and 10 have additional fees. On the other hand, Quantum of the Seas only has 18, but 10 of these restaurants are complimentary and the other 8 have additional fees. The Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas also has the same number of pools as the Odyssey of the Seas, but has more hot tubs and exclusive pools. Their only difference is the money you might possibly spend on them. Around 71% of the activities on the Odyssey of the Seas are already included in the cruise fare, while only 62% are covered in the Quantum of the Seas. Another big machine of the seas is the HLM Algeciras, also known as one of the world's largest container ships. It's fairly new given that it was only launched in 2020. This container ship was built by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea. The HLM Algeciras is 61 meters wide and 399.9 meters long, with a total ship capacity of 23,964 TEU. Currently, it's registered in Panama and operated by HMM Co. Ltd. In terms of pavement rehabilitation, the Antigo Construction is the best one to consult. They can provide complete services for concrete pavement rubberization, cracking and seating, and braking services thanks to their powerful Badger Breaker machines. The 8600 Badger Breaker is a rubber-tired, self-propelled guillotine-style concrete pavement breaker. This machine has an 8-foot wide and 12,000-pound hammer that helps with its tasks and functions. Its drop height can also be adjusted from 0 to 9 feet electrically. Powered by a 125 horsepower John Deere or Cat turbo diesel engine, the Cord King CS27-40 is a machine that has the production rate of 8 to 9 full cords per hour. This is possible because of its 60-inch carbide tooth slasher saw and cut and split cycle time every 3.5 seconds. It also has a splitter force of 42 tons and an operator safety cage with roof and deluxe seat. Aside from that, its maximum log diameter is at 27 inches, while the maximum log length is 40 inches, all while consuming just 3 gallons per hour of fuel. Pruning is a horticultural, arboricultural, and silvicultural practice involving the selective removal of certain parts of a plant, such as branches, buds, or roots. This process is important so that dead and dying branches are removed, making way for new growth and at the same time prevents pest and animal infestation, hence improving the natural shape and healthy growth of plants. To help with your pruning needs, we have the Wood King Classic Pruning Saw. Even with this machine has an estimate weight of 210 kilograms, its operating speed is still at an impressive level of about 8 kilograms an hour. This is also very helpful in pruning big trees since it has a cutting width of 2100 millimeters and saw blades with 60 wider tipped teeth. On top of that, its boom can extend up to 1200 millimeters to the side, complete with a hydraulic drive with 3 special carbide tip saw blades. Next up, we have the asphalt cutter from the RF System AB. It has cutting wheels that drive diameters from 300 to 450 millimeters. These diameters are adjustable depending on your needs and the type of excavator it will be working with. Their company also offers services on asphalt cutting specially intended to work with ground compactors, therefore simplifying asphalt cutting significantly. Moreover, some of its accessories are the asphalt cutter cutting wheel, complete cutting wheel with hub, rods, and bolts with spare parts. This is the compact 5-axle mobile construction crane from Liber called the MK140. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 8,000 kilograms. However, at a maximum radius of 65 meters, it becomes 1,900 kilograms. It's reported to have a capacity belonging to the exclusive domain of cranes with a higher axle class. Its hook height can reach up to 39.90 meters while its luft jib position is at 70 degrees. The MK140 has a transport dimension of just 16 meters with a 60-meter jib carried on board. The next machine is TigerCat's 632H skidder, with higher capacity grapples and the strongest rear axle for extreme duty cycles and highest volume demands. It weighs 48,200 pounds, 23 feet square high, and is powered by a 285 horsepower engine. It also has a feature named Turnaround 220, which enables the operator to lock and release the 220-degree rotating seat to any position in just a touch of a button. Aside from that, it also has a 4-point harness that makes challenging terrains feel a lot tamer. This machine also has an electronic control technology that works with TigerCat's unique hydrostatic drive system. This makes the skidder capable of operating at an automatic variable engine RPM, hence improving fuel economy. Also known as the world's largest pole pan scraper, The KTECH 1263 ADT is undoubtedly one of the most impressive machines in the market. This mega scraper was designed to move millions and withstand long-haul massive earth-moving projects. This scraper has an ultra-high capacity bolt-together design that enables simpler maintenance and affordable international container shipping. Aside from that, the standard roller push block on the back of the scraper is smoothly matched for push support loading for swift cycle times of the 63 cubic yard, 48.1 cubic meter heaped capacity scraper. If you want to see the world's heaviest deep-sea mining unit, the Nautilus Minerals auxiliary cutter should be the first one you look at. The main production machine has a total weight of 300 tons with a cutter head bigger than all other rock cutters out there. This also has extreme power and excellent features perfect for all deep-sea mining needs. This is very good evidence in how this giant cutter can grind up the seafloor with every pass that it makes. To make this entire beauty function, a total of 1.2 megawatts of power is needed. Taking things to a higher level, let us now go to the FAM SR 800P9 from Codelco, Chile. This is a rotary shovel that moves at a speed of 15 meters per minute. As if that's not enough to increase the total productivity, it also has a bucket that can reach up to 25 meters high and is also 52 meters long. In addition, this innovation also has a removal disc with a diameter of 19 meters. Adding all these features up, this machine is capable of reaching a maximum capacity of 14,500 tons of rubble per hour. This is impressively 4,000 tons more than what its predecessor can handle, hence making it worth every penny. To fit for the modern generation we're now experiencing, we have to introduce you to the new generation Wagner 4-wheel drive log stackers, also known as the Wagner 4-wheel drive log stackers, a machine ideal for operation in unimproved and muddy yard conditions. The 4-wheel drive models range from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds of lift capacity, have a rear oscillating axle, and a minimal center of gravity shift. This makes it possible for the units to remain directly behind the load, providing excellent stability with no loss of capacity in a turn like big wheel loaders.
Selected four-wheel drive models also give the operators freedom to disengage the rear axle when seasonal ground conditions improve, thereby reducing axle wear and improving fuel economy. Aside from that, it also has other interesting and amazing features such as faster hoist speeds, ground-level service bay, lighted stairways, force-cooled wet disc brakes, easy-access cooler bays, selectable automatic transmission, and this line of machines is also powered by a Tier 4 final engine to ensure the successful completion of tasks. This list will be closing with an incredible machine from Liber. This is the LH150M High-Rise Industry Litronic, which combines the modern and innovative concept with extraordinary performance and an extremely sturdy design. This is powered by a 543 horsepower 3A compliant engine. It weighs about 140,000 to 160,000 kilograms and has a reach of about 28 meters. On top of that, this also has the award-winning Liber Regenerative Power System, or the Positive Control Multi-Circuit Hydraulic System. To provide optimum solutions for all deployment situations, manufacturers also made sure to give this machine a modular structure and excellent equipment, coupled with the high technological equipment. Individual adaptation of the machine to the respective requirements ensures maximum material handling performance with, at the same time, outstanding economy.
That's it for today's video on the biggest and most powerful machines you have to see. Thank you for taking the time to watch Mighty Machines. Let us know what you thought of these innovations in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you can be updated with our content. See ya!